Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I'm out in the greenhouse and the cabbage worms absolutely decimated my bok choy and plants, so I'm about to restart those, but I thought this would be a good time to start my compost bin using all the roots that I took out and all the leaves that weren't decimated, if you will. So let me show you the compost bin that I'm talking about. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and share this with you. I actually got this for Father's Day. It's a compost bin bag, and I thought I'd open it up with you guys and take a look at it. So this particular compost bin I haven't opened up yet. If you guys end up liking it, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll get it from my wife where she bought it from. And so I believe she ordered it online, possibly Amazon. And I can get you guys the link, but I thought I would show you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. I just cleaned out a new spot for it, and I'll show you that too. So it's a bag here, and it's got a zipper to open up the front. So let's go get this opened up and set it in place. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a composting bag. It's got handles on both sides to help you move it. So you're going to put your layers of compost in here and you zip it closed, which is awesome. But there's this little actual latch on the front, so once you've actually gotten it turned into that black gold, if you will, after it's been sitting long enough, you lift open this pouch. It's got incredibly strong Velcro. You just lift open that pouch and you'll be able to access all that great soil from the bottom of the bag. So I'm pretty excited to try this. I'm going to go ahead and start with my compost that I've already got there. The bok choy, as I mentioned. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in here. And then probably some grass clippings to top that off. So as I said, there's my start. Already got the bag ready and compost is in there. And like I said, I'll keep adding layers to this, browns, greens, and hopefully get it composted down, and then I'll be able to just access the good soil from the bottom. And you could probably pick it up and shake it to kind of turn it, which is kind of a neat feature. But I'm really excited about this bag. There's even a door on the top of the compost bag too, Velcro door, in case you maybe wanted to lay it on its side, or if you needed to access without unzipping the whole thing, just to throw stuff in. Pretty awesome. There you go guys, just a really simple video on a composting bag that I got for Father's Day. Thought I'd share it with you guys. If you guys want to pick it up, like I said, I'll throw the link down in the description below. Pretty small area, you know, this is perfect for those of you who have a small area for composting, don't want to do a giant bin. This will probably work out great for you and have some good soil that you can use to pot some plants or start some seeds by this time next year. As always guys, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.